For more than 25 years, Summa has pushed the boundaries of sign industry technology, building the world's finest cutting plotters. Introducing the most advanced, powerful, state-of-the-art flatbed cutter. The Summa F-Series Pro Flatbed Digital Cutter, the most versatile flatbed cutting system ever. Summa's advanced flatbed cutting tables are capable of cutting a wide variety of rigid materials, as well as roll stock, using a selection of interchangeable tools and blades to handle the most challenging of jobs with speed and accuracy. The F-Series delivers on the promise of fast, efficient workflow with a multifunctional head that holds up to 3 tool modules at one time. The included drag knife module provides 600 grams of downforce for clean cuts through vinyl and banner material, while the robust Tangential Module delivers a powerful vertical downforce of 12 kilograms, using a wide range of interchangeable tools, including router, heavy-duty, oscillating, V-cut, and creasing options. The oscillating tool is designed to accurately cut through thicker materials like foam boards, solid or fluted plastics, and much more. V-cut tools are ideal for making angled cuts through honeycomb, reboard, and thick foam boards. A variety of creasing tools are offered to help create the ideal folding edge for your next prototype or packaging design. And the powerful router module allows you to create intricate cutouts through standard graphic and sign industry solid boards, including hard foam, PVC, acrylic, and aluminum composite boards. Each tool has a barcode ID that ensures automatic recognition, combined with matching depth and tool parameters for unmatched precision on every project. And changing tools is quick and easy thanks to an innovative single-point fastening system. Plus, with an ever-increasing arsenal of optional tools and add-ons for the F-Series, you can custom tailor the machine to perfectly match your specific workflow. Summa's Automatic Media Advance System handles multiple materials, including roll, panel, or full-size rigid substrates, while a vacuum pump with selector firmly holds the material in place and automatically resizes the vacuum area to match the working surface area for superior cutting performance. And each F-Series flatbed cutter includes Summa's revolutionary optical camera marker recognition system, so you get unbeatable contour cutting speed and accuracy every time. And all this superior technology integrates seamlessly with our included Summa Flex and Axis Control software, giving you full control over your most complicated projects. The Summa F-Series, enhancing your productivity, efficiency, and creativity with the world's best flatbed cutter. One machine, countless possibilities. The F-Series Pro Flatbed Digital Cutting System from Summa.